The following events did not take place. This is purely artificial intelligence for entertainment purposes. So, here we have Meghan Markle and Prince Harry doing their shopping. Prince William and Catherine, Princess of Wales, in the supermarket. Harry and Meghan going grocery shopping. Meghan brainstorming her next cooking video idea in the middle of the supermarket. King Charles and Queen Camilla in the market centre. Prince Harry prices up an onion. Catherine, Princess of Wales and Prince William shopping in a posh supermarket. Catherine, Princess of Wales and Prince William babysitting, and they decide to take them on a trip to the supermarket. This is all artificial intelligence. None of these events happen.